Hello dear student, in part 5, unit 4 chemical bonding and molecular structure, we will cover following contents: molecular orbital theory, MOT diagram of hydrogen, beryllium, lithium, nitrogen and oxygen molecule, hydrogen bonding and types of hydrogen bonding. So let's see all the topics with suitable examples. Molecular orbital theory. Molecular orbital are formed linear combination of atomic orbital. It means two atomic orbitals combine in a linear form and form atomic orbitals. Atomic orbitals of all atoms are assumed to interfere with each other and form in the form of wave. It means all atomic orbitals interferes in the form of wave and form molecular orbital. Bonding molecular orbital are formed by the constructive interference of atomic orbitals. So by the constructive interference form bonding molecular orbitals and anti-bonding molecular orbital formed by the destructive interference. Next, anti-bonding molecular orbital of high energy than bonding molecular orbital. So these are the postulate for the molecular orbital theory. Let's see the different type of molecular orbital diagram for different molecules. Molecular orbital diagram of hydrogen molecule. Let's see the electronic configuration of hydrogen atom having only one electron, so its electronic configuration 1s1. Let's see the MOT diagram for H2 molecule. In a hydrogen atom only one electron is present when the interference constructive mode form bonding orbitals. So one electron from one hydrogen atom and another electron fill with another hydrogen atom. So it's a bond order. When we calculate, bond order is equal to number of bonding electron minus number of anti-bonding electron divided by 2. So right here only 0.5 value. Then bond order of H2 is equal to 0.1, 0.5. Bonding electron is here 2, so write 2, and anti-bonding electron is 0. So put the value 0, and when we calculate we get 1 answer. It means hydrogen present only one bond, and in all molecular orbital paired electron is present, so its property is diamagnetism. Molecular orbital diagram of beryllium molecule. So let's see the electronic configuration of barium atom. Barium having 4 atomic numbers, so its electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2. Let's see the MOT diagram for beryllium molecule. So here only take a valence shell electronic configuration, only 2s orbital. 2s orbital having 2 electrons. Similarly in another beryllium atom having 2 electron, when we constructive interference form bonding molecular orbital and having 2 electrons. Similarly, when the destructive interference form anti-bonding molecular orbital and also having in 2 electron. So both bonding and anti-bonding molecular orbital having 2 electrons. When calculate the bond order of beryllium molecule, put the value of bonding electron and anti-bonding electron, and when we calculate we get a 0 answer. So 0 value of bond order indicate that given molecule is unstable and thus beryllium molecule does not exist. We can also write the molecular orbital electronic configuration. We can write the kk according to filling electrons in molecular orbital. We can write sigma 2s2 and sigma star 2s2. Star show the anti-bonding molecular orbital. Molecular orbital diagram of lithium molecule. Let's see the electronic configuration of lithium. Lithium atomic number is 3. Its electronic configuration 1s2 and 2s1. Let's see the MOT diagram. So here in 1s 2 electron is present, in another similarly 2 electron is present in lithium atom. So when we constructive interference form bonding electron and one electron from one lithium atom and another electron filled with another lithium atom. Similarly form anti-bonding molecular orbital by the destructive interference and similarly having 2 electron present. Then next in 2s only 1 electron is present, so its electron fill in only bonding molecular orbital by the constructive interference. And for anti-bonding, no electron is present in a lithium atom in a 2s orbital. So let's see the bond order for lithium molecule. Put the value of bonding electron and anti-bonding electron. So bonding electron is 4, anti-bonding electron is 2. So when we calculate, we get answer 1. So lithium molecule, between 2 lithium atom, 1 bond is present. And when we see the magnetic property, all molecular orbital having paired electrons, so its nature is diamagnetic. Molecular orbital diagram of nitrogen molecule. Let's see electronic configuration of nitrogen atom, 1s2, 2s2 and 2p3. Let's see the MOT diagram. So here take only valence shell atomic orbitals 2s and 2p. So when we constructive interference, it form bonding molecular orbital and one electron from one nitrogen atom and another electron from fill another nitrogen atom. Similarly form anti-molecular orbital by the destructive interference. Let's see the p orbital. The arrangement of p orbital in a molecular orbital. First write the pi 2px and pi 2py. They are similar in energy level, so write in same energy level, and then after that write the 2 sigma 2pz, and this its energy level as compared to 2px and 2py less. Then for arrangement of anti-bonding molecular orbital, first write the pi star 2px and pi star 2py, and after that write sigma star 2pz. So by the constructive interference, first fail electron 1 in 2px and after that 1 electron fill in 2py. After filling 1 electron, then pairing the 2px electrons and also 2py orbital. Then after that fill electron in 2pz and another electron from another nitrogen atom. Then here all 6 electron is filled, so no electron for anti-bonding molecular orbital. Let's see the bond order. Put the value of bonding electron is 8, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 6, 4. Total 8 electron present in bonding electron and only 2 electron present in anti-bonding electron. So when we calculate, we get the 3 bond order. It means between 2 nitrogen atom having triple bond. And when we see the electrons in molecular orbital, all electrons are paired in molecular orbital, so its magnetic property is diamagnetic. Molecular orbital diagram of oxygen molecule. First write the electronic configuration of oxygen atom. Oxygen atom having 8 atomic number. So its electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. In MOT diagram take only valence shell atomic orbitals. So let's see the MOT diagram. So here 2s electrons of 2 oxygen atom when interfere with constructive interference form bonding molecular orbital having 2 electron, and similarly form anti-bonding molecular orbital by the destructive interference and form and present in a 2 electron. So both having 2 electron in bonding and anti-bonding molecular orbital. See the for 2p orbital having 4 electrons, and here the molecular orbital of p orbital arrangement is different from nitrogen. So first write here sigma 2pz, and after that write pi 2px and pi 2py. And for arrangement of anti-bonding molecular orbital is similarly as nitrogen molecule, here no change. First write 2p x and 2py, and after that write the sigma 2pz. So by the constructive interference, first field electron in 2p z orbital from one electron from one oxygen atom and another electron field from another oxygen atom, and in 2px and 2py first field one electron, after that pairing, and here 2p orbital left only one electron. So in 2p pi star 2p x filled 1 electron, and from another oxygen filled 1 electron. So for the pairing no extra electron is present. So see the bond order, calculate. When we calculate the bond order, put the value of bonding electron is 8, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 electron in bonding molecular orbital, and 2 and 2, 4 electron in anti-bonding electron. When we calculate, we get the 2 answer. It means between 2 oxygen atom having double bonds. And when we see the molecular orbital in having 2 unpaired electrons, so its magnetic property is paramagnetic. And here the p orbital arrangement is 1 2 2 1. So from atomic number 8 to above atomic number, the p orbital arrangement is 2 1 2 2 1, and below atomic number 8 from 1 to 7, p orbital arrangement is 1 to 1 alternate. Hydrogen bonding. So it is the attractive force which bind hydrogen atom of one molecule with electronegative atom like fluorine, oxygen, nitrogen of another molecule is known as hydrogen bond or hydrogen bonding. So hydrogen only bond with 3 more electronegative atom. This is the fluorine, oxygen and nitrogen. And magnitude of hydrogen bonding is maximum in solid state and least in gaseous state. For example, hydrogen bonding in fluorine atom with water molecule in hydrogen. So this is dotted line show the hydrogen bonding between hydrogen and fluorine. Fluorine is a more electronegative atom. Similarly, here the hydrogen bonding form between oxygen and hydrogen atom. So from the ammonia molecule, hydrogen bond with water molecule, and Here oxygen is more electronegative atom. Similarly, when see the in ammonia and HF molecule, hydrogen formed with hydrogen bonding, and this can be shown by the dotted line. Here nitrogen is more electronegative atom. So hydrogen bond formed with three more electronegative atom, that is fluorine, oxygen and nitrogen. Hydrogen bonding are two types: intramolecular hydrogen bonding and intermolecular hydrogen bonding. Intramolecular hydrogen bonding occur between same molecule between two similar molecules. So here let's see the HF molecule between two HF molecule form hydrogen bonding. So that type of hydrogen bonding is called intramolecular hydrogen bonding. Similarly in water molecule, so same molecule of water between two molecule of water form hydrogen bonding. And next, second type of intermolecular hydrogen bonding occur between in a same molecule between two electronegative atom. So here hydrogen bonding form between two highly electronegative atom oxygen in same molecule. Let's see the definition of intermolecular and intramolecular hydrogen bonding. First type of hydrogen bonding is intramolecular hydrogen bonding. It is formed between two different molecule of same or different compound. For example, hydrogen bonding in case of HF molecule, alcohol or water molecule. Let's see the diagram of hydrogen bonding. Here hydrogen bonding form between ammonia molecules. So here nitrogen is more electronegative atom, and from one nitrogen molecule hydrogen atom form with another ammonia molecule of hydrogen. So here dotted line show the hydrogen bonding. Similarly in water molecule, oxygen form hydrogen bond with hydrogen. So here oxygen is more electronegative atom, so more hydrogen atom form between different different water molecules. And similarly HF molecules, between HF molecule hydrogen bond form between fluorine and hydrogen. Here fluorine is more electronegative atom. So intramolecular hydrogen bonding form between two different molecule of the same or different compound. Intermolecular hydrogen bonding, it is formed when hydrogen atom is in between two highly electronegative atom, that is fluorine, oxygen and nitrogen atom present within the same molecule. For example, orthonitrophenol in hydrogen is in between two oxygen atoms. See the example in diagram. First diagram is orthonitrophenol. In orthonitrophenol, hydrogen bond form between two highly electronegative atom, it is oxygen. Similarly, next example, salicylic acid. Here hydrogen bond form between two highly electronegative atom, that is oxygen. So intermolecular hydrogen bond form in the same molecule between two highly electronegative atom.